When you hear that $5 million, what do you picture? A mansion? A private island? What if I told you that some of the world elite spend that much on something that flies? Meet the Gulfstream G400, the private jet that redefines luxury in the sky. From its jaw-dropping speed and range to its unmatched carbon comfort, this is the aircraft that makes other jets look basic. And today we are stepping inside the flying palace to show you why it's worth every dollar. Let's start with performance. This beast has a maximum range of 4,200 nautical miles, meaning it can fly non-stop from New York to London. And with the high-speed cruise of Mach 0.88, it's not just luxurious, it's fast. Need to save time? This jet has your back. At takeoff, it only needs 5,000 feet of runway, climbing quickly to a starting cruise altitude of 41,000 feet and soaring as high as 51,000 feet above turbulence, above the cloud and above the noise. Now let's talk about the experience. This isn't just a jet, it's a 5-star hotel in the sky with 3 spacious living areas, handcraft seating, and whisper noise cabin. Every flight feels like a dream. There's a full gallery of garment mail, a private lavatory with vanity, and options for custom lighting, sound, and even workspace. You can literally turn this into a mobile office or a flying living room. But that's not all. The G400 is loaded with advanced avionics and touchscreen control that gives passengers full control of climate, entertainment, and lighting. It's luxury tailored to your every mood. Want to travel like billionaires, loyals, or tech mongo? This is their secret, a symbol of status and freedom. The Gulfstream G400 is for those who refuse to compromise. From its jaw-dropping features to its sky-dominating specs, the 35 million Gulfstream G400 is more than a jet. It's a lifestyle. Would you fly in one if money wasn't a problem? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to Sumptuous Sojourn for more luxury like this.